Fundamentally, the word quantum refers to something that can be quantized, meaning that it contains distinguishable increments, a bit like how this money consists of coins. Although a beam of ultraviolet light, for example, travels as a wave, it also comes in distinct units, or quanta, called photons. This was shown by the photoelectric effect, where shining high-energy ultraviolet light on a metal causes it to lose electrons, but the light had to be greater than a certain frequency for this to happen. Physicists concluded that light consists of photons, since even a high intensity of low-frequency light causes no electrons to leave the metal, because each individual photon didn't have enough energy to transfer to the electron for it to escape. Quantum field theory suggests that for each type of particle there is a quantum field for it permeating all of space, such as this electron field, an up quark field, or you may even heard of the Higgs field. An electron, for example, is a wave-like disturbance or excitation in the electron field. These localized disturbances in the quantum fields look a bit like particles, but also act a bit like waves. But even in a vacuum, the absence of matter, these quantum fields are never perfectly smooth. They fluctuate. Despite the black and white fluctuations, overall this TV static looks grey. Similarly, these temporary particle-like fluctuations in quantum fields can average out to a vacuum. These small fluctuations exist so briefly that they're impossible to observe. So how can we even know if they exist? The Casimir effect is when two metal plates suspended very close together in a vacuum move together, all because of virtual particles. The wavelength of these particles has to fit between the space between the two plates, so it's less likely for virtual particles to appear between the plates than outside the plates. Since more of these temporary virtual particles collide with the outside of the plate than the inside of the plate, there's an overall force pushing the metal plates together.